Okay, page 432, number 31, we're asked to use the half-angle identities to find an exact value without a calculator. Now, we did problems similar to this in the last section when we were doing the sum and difference identities, but now we want to use the half-angle identities. So what we want to do is find an angle, half of which is 15 from the unit circle. So sine of 15, we can rewrite as the sine of half of 30. So with that, we can use our identity for sine of half an angle, which is going to be the square root of 1 minus cosine of 30 degrees. My pen is skipping. Over 2. So now I'm going to, let me rewrite that. That does not look good at all. So that's going to be the cosine of 30 degrees. So now we want to use our knowledge of the unit circle to rewrite that. So this is going to become the square root of 1 minus, now the cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3 over 2, and this whole thing is over 2. So I'm going to simplify this fraction by multiplying top and bottom by 2 over 2. And when I do that, I'm going to get the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 over 4. And then there's one less simplification. The square root of 4 is a perfect square, so I can take that out as a half. So my final answer will look like this. So the sine of 15 degrees is going to equal 1 over 2 times the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3. And yes, you are going to have the double square root, but this is the simplest form for the answer.